Alright guys, here's one of my ideals for the bird bath. Now, this is just rough ideals what I'm doing here. You gotta imagine that in the ground with rocks all around it. You won't be able to see that blue. Then what I did was took some pieces of driftwood and worked them in behind and here. See, it pumps the water up to the bottom, which runs down and then runs back out the front. And that's one ideal. What do you think? Imagine that in the flower bed, but you can't see the tray because there'll be big rocks all around it and in it and stuff. But that's one ideal that I got. Alright, then there's this one. And this is by a this is run by a little solar pump. There's the, see when you move it, it stops. When you have it in a, put it in a, if you put it in bright sun, this sucker takes off. So you want to keep it to where, you know, the water stays in your bowl, or get a bigger bowl. Let me get it reset again here. Anyway, there's that one. I love these solar water pumps. Man, they work like a dickens. Look at my porch. If you put that in full sun, that thing, it will blow up 20 inches. And I didn't think they were that powerful. It has different heads that goes on it, so you get different effects. Alright, let me try something else. Alright, then we got this one that squirts out to the side and not up. Then you got this one that just shoots one stream. You have several different heads that fit it. You have this one that goes out and down. This one has a wide circle range, and this one has a low circle range. And you can build it up to make it go higher. But see, if I move this back and forth, the height gets bigger or smaller. Depends on how much I want and where it's at. I just gotta figure out a way to regulate it for its size. You know, I've had to cut off some of the panels to get it that low. Alright, here's another ideal, guys. I got the pump put on very low because it keeps spewing my water everywhere. Anyway, I put a little turtle in there. Looks like he's climbing up on the pump. Anyway, what I did is I put a chip and dip bow underneath so I can put the water in here, and this slants down, and I figured I could put bird seed in there, put their food in that. What do you guys think? And leave the little turtle in there. I thought that'd be cute. Alright. Hope you guys enjoyed this, and I've come up with some more ideals, and hopefully we can get something going here. But the first one with the vase on the driftwood, that's been my favorite so far. Alright guys, well this is just some of my ideals, and Give me your opinions on which ones you like the best, and I'll just go from there.